Meaning of hagiographer.
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 Hagiographer. The word hagiographer refers to a writer who specializes in writing about the lives of saints. This term is derived from the Greek word hagios, which means holy or saint, and grapho, which means to write. Hagiographers often document the lives of saints, their miracles, and their deeds. These writings can be found in religious texts and manuscripts. Hagiography has played an important role in the formation and dissemination of religious beliefs and practices. In essence, hagiographers are storytellers who impart the tales of holy individuals to generations of believers.